Fruit song. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for banana, a yummy treat. C is for cherry, small and round. D is for date from desert ground. E is for elderberry, dark and bold. F is for fig with stories told. G is for grapes, green or red. H is for honeydew by your bed. I is for Indian fig, oh so neat. J is for jackfruit, big and sweet. K is for kiwi, fuzzy skin. L is for lemon, with a tangy grin. M is for mango, juicy and gold. N is for nectarine, smooth and cold. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for pineapple, what a bite. Q is for quince, firm and tart. R is for raspberry, close to heart. S is for strawberry, red with dots. T is for tomato, we eat lots. U is for ugly fruit, wrinkly skin. V is for velvet, apple, soft within. W is for watermelon, big and green. X is for zebra, a Chinese dream. Y is for yellow plum, sunny and bright. Z is for Sisyphus, a chewy deer.